VCD is equal to minus 150 by 3. So that will be equal to how much? Minus 3 5s are 15 minus 50 centimeter. Okay. So VCD is equal to, here we are getting minus 50 centimeter. Means the image of the CD will be forming at 50 centimeter. Then again magnification. Magnification M is equal to, that is VAB upon UAB, means VCD upon UCD. V is how much? V is about, here for the second case is, we have got it as VCD is equal to minus 50, minus n is there, minus of minus 50 divided by UCD is equal to how much? That will be equal to minus 75. Again minus sign is there, this one, so this gets cancelled out. This will be equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 means M is equal to 3 by 2 with what is called as a minus sign. 3 by 2. Again magnification is equal to H1 upon H2 upon H1. So that will be equal to minus 3 by 2, and that is equal to H2 is, we have to find out, that is equal to H2 upon H1 is again 3 centimeter. So H2 is equal to minus 9 by 3, this is a 9 by 2, that is equal to minus 4.5 centimeter. So at 50 centimeter distance and 4.5, like this. Here 50 and 4.5. Here is 4.5. Here is how much we have got? What is the height is minus 6. Minus 6 centimeter means minus is inverted 4.5. Then join these two. Now at the center, when the object is at the center, at the point PQ, what will be the image? You see. So the third case, the first case, second case. AB we have seen, CD we have seen for the PQ. So PQ is at 60. So again here we can write it as UAB is equal to, here 60 centimeter, F is equal minus 60 and F is equal to minus 30. Again 1 by F is equal to 1 by V. 1 by V. 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. So 1 by minus 30 minus into minus plus 1 by 60. You can take it as 60. 1 by V is equal to AB. So that it will be minus how much time? 2 times plus 1. So that it will be equal to minus 1 by 60. So VAB is at 60 centimeter with minus sign. So here at the center, that is equal to PQ. Instead of PQ, AB, we are trying to do PQ, center portion, PQ. So PQ is equal to 60. Here is PQ. What is the magnification? Again then here M is equal to minus of V of VPQ upon UPQ. So minus of V is how much? V is equal to, here 60 we have got, minus 60, and U is also equal to, object is also equal to 60 minus sign. So that is equal to minus 1. So magnification is 1. So therefore H2 upon H1 is equal to minus 1. So that will be H2 is equal to minus H1. Means H1 is H2 is equal to minus 3 centimeter. So again the image will form here only. This will be equal to P dash Q dash. Okay. So here this will be the structure of the image of the rectangular device block, that is ABCD. Image of AB is at A dash B dash, image of CD is at C dash D dash, and image of PQ is at the same place, same height. Okay. So this is the problem number, what is called as problem number 2. Okay. Problem number 3. Inverted image start from 50 centimeter, ends on 90 centimeter. 50 centimeter starts on 90 centimeter. Okay. So you see this one. So this is problem number 3. Then after this we have to go for the problem number 4. Okay. The fourth problem is a car uses a convex mirror. A car uses a convex mirror of curvature 1.2 meter. A car uses, problem number 4. Problem number 4. A car uses convex mirror of curvature 1.2 meter. A radius of curvature is 1.2 meter. As its rear view mirror, a rainbow or a minibus of cross section 2.2 meter and 2.2 meter. So mirror is having, the length is 2.2 meter, the breadth also is having 2.2 meter. A minibus of cross section area and 6.6 meter away from the mirror. The object is at 6.6 meter away from the mirror. Then estimate the image size. Means we have to find out the image size, means we have to find out. Image size means S2 we have to find out. Here also we have to draw the diagram like this. The mirror is a convex mirror. the convex mirror is there, and this is the principal axis. Principal axis, and like this. Here is the focal point. Same focal point again here also. The object is at O. There is a P. Here is O. The object is about how much? 6.6 meter. Like this. 2.2 meter length. And this distance is 6.6 meter from here, then 0.6 meter from here. The focal length is about 0.6 meter. A radius of curvature is r, then f is equal to r by 2. That is equal to 1.2 by 2, that is equal to 0.6 meter. And what is there? Focal length of the convex lens is positive. Then u is equal to, object is towards the left side, so u is equal to minus 6.6 meter. So we can find out the distance of the image. So here the formula we have to take it as 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is for the convex mirror. So we can find out 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So 1 by f is equal to, what will you get? 1 by f is equal to, f is, we have got 0.6 meter. 1 upon 0.6 minus 1 by u is about 6.6 meter. So what will get? V is equal to, we can take it as 6.6 as LCM. So therefore, when you take 6.6 as LCM, 0.6 will go into 11 times. 11 minus 1, so that will be equal to 0.6 will go in the 6.6 11 time, and 6.6 will go in 6.6 1 time. 11 minus 1 minus 10 upon 6.6. So V is equal to 6.6 upon 10 with minus sign. So that will be minus 0.66 meter. So what we are getting, the image is about here 0. So 20 by 11, isn't it? We'll get 20 by 11? No. So that will be equal to 0.6. So that will be 1 upon 0.6 and plus, here is, this value is minus 6.6. So that means here will be plus. So 12 by, it will be 12 by 6.6. So 6.6 by 12. 6.6 by, what is get 12. So what, how much you will get? That is equal to 0.12 5s are 60. कारण कि here minus half points are. So 12 5s are 60. I mean 6. 12 5s are 60. 0.55 meter. So the image distance is about 0.55 meter. And so V is equal to 0.55 meter with minus sign. Then what is the magnification? M is equal to here V by U. M is equal to V by U. Magnification is equal to M is equal to V minus V by U here. minus V by U. So that is equal to H2 upon H1. So therefore, here object height is H1. So H2 is equal to minus V by U into H1. So minus V minus of minus 0.55. U is about 6.66 minus sign into H1 is 2.2. So this get cancels out. So 2.2 will go into 6.6, that will be equal to 22 will go into 3 times. So that will be equal to how much? So minus 0. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24, 1 3 3s are 9. Minus how much we are getting? That will be equal to minus that is a plus 1.833. The magnification we are getting it as here, that will be equal to 1.833. So here we are not getting the negative sign. You see, H2 is equal to positive. H2 we have to find out. H1 is also positive, upper side. H2 we have to find out. V by U. V is equal to minus 0.55 and U is equal to, means here the formula is not minus for the convex, is U by U. So therefore, what will get? Here the minus sign get cancels out. That will be minus 1.833, 0.183 and about 0.2 meter. So the answer is, they have given is about square of the edge is about 0.2 meter height. So 2.2 meter actually size of the bus, but the image size we are getting to be 0.2 meter inside the what is called as a convex mirror. Okay. So what they are asking to calculate? Find out the size of, estimate the image size. Image size is about 0.2 meter. Not inverted, it is a real. Okay. So we have seen the 3 problems for this what is called as chapter. So problem number 4 we have completed. Then after this we have to go for the problem number 5. So we'll stop here. We'll go for the problem number 5 because on Monday onwards I think the government is going to start the colleges for the 11th also. So most probably we will meet on Monday in the college also. Okay? So we'll stop. Remaining problems we'll see in the next period. Okay? So look this problem carefully. So all these formulas are for the 11th in the school standard, 10th standard, 9th standard you have seen this formula. Okay. For the convex mirror it is about 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. For the concave mirror it is about 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay. So we'll stop here. Thank you.